All right, so I'm gonna start with Sculpey clay, which I'm bummed out because me and Eric went to Walmart to find their Sculpey clay that was 97 cents and it was completely gone. The display was gone, the rack it's on is gone, everything is gone. So I had to go get this more.
I think there was some Sculpey clay stuck up against the wall or something.
So I had to get
I'm not sure what happened there.
the more expensive Sculpey, which it's not any different than the least expensive one. It just cost more. So, but I had to go to the Costmore store to get this. So,
CostmoreRS.com.
Yeah. So if I sell these, I'm gonna have to sell them for more than I was previously selling them for. But okay, so we're gonna do orange and blue for the Florida Gators. So I broke it into, you know, it's sectioned into 4 pieces. So I broke them off more or less into the same size, and I'm gonna roll them together. You can roll it all together, but it's just, it takes a lot of elbow grease to do that. So I'm gonna just do one little bit at a time. Okay, so here it is. I blended it and I rolled it together and I tapered it. Like this is the end, this is like the end. So we taper that a little bit. So, and I just basically just roll it together and get that look. So you can use a variety of tools or just use your fingers or whatever. But you're gonna take white clay or whatever color you want. I think white looks the best, and you just need a tiny, tiny, tiny little booger of it, and you're gonna ball it up. And the bigger ones you're gonna put towards this end. And then I just use just a pencil and poke it in there, and that's how we make our little suckers. And I'm going to make them for all of these to go all the way, oh no, to go all the way up the arms. But so I'm going to be doing that for a little while.
Yeah, it's going to take a minute.
Yeah, okay. You don't have to film all that.
Huh.
See how I'm doing that? And it doesn't have to be perfect.
Only 9,000 more to go.
Okay, so now as I work my way down the arm, I made it all 2, and then I started making them smaller as we descend, and now I'm just going to do 1 row and make them smaller and smaller until I get to the very end. Okay, so I've got these all done, and now we're going to put them on the thing, and we're going to just kind of push them, and it has to be clean, dry glass. Don't use plastic, because you can't put plastic in the oven. I'm telling you, don't do it. Somebody said, I did that and the thing melted because the idiot used plastic.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I was going to say, aren't the yours? Never mind.
Okay, so see, I just, oh, it doesn't want to, let me just give it a little, sometimes you got to give it a little push to get it to stick on there, because you don't want it falling out in the oven while it's in the oven. And see how I gave it a little shape here and made it go over that? That's okay to do that. It's okay to do whatever you want. And then I'll put this one here, and this one can go, stop it, this one can come this way. And
you can do whatever you want. You just have to release the cracking.
Yeah. And then you just want to make sure you press it really good on it, on the glass, so it's nice and, you know, on there, because I've had many a time I've opened the oven after I put this in the oven and everything just went kind of and made me very angry.
Mm-hmm.
So
You smashed it.
you don't want it to go right, Eric?
Well, sometimes you want it to go.
And then put this one. We'll make this one. This one can overlap with this.
Are they supposed to get something out of that, or
What?
are you supposed to put something in that?
I mean, you could put candy in it. You can put, although it might not work. You can put potpourri in it. You can put seashells in it. You can put poop in it.
Can you put radioactive waste in it?
I mean, you can. I don't know why you would want to do that, but okay. So we push this
Does
sucker.
the clay help protect the radioactive waste?
I don't understand the question.
Oh.
Okay. So anyway, I'm going to finish putting these on here. I just wanted to kind of show you how I did it. You can do it any way you want. Shape them any way you want. Just make sure that they're pressed on here good so they don't go in the oven. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
They